Hello, this is chapter 4, Geography, class 10th, and the name of the chapter is Agriculture. This is the second part of agriculture. Part 1 of agriculture is already available. In part 1, we have covered agriculture, its importance, and the different types of farming, which includes primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation, and then we have covered the different cropping seasons or different cropping patterns. In part 2, we would cover major types of crops grown in our country. So we will begin with major types of crops. As you are seeing on the board, major crops can be divided into three categories. It is the food crop, non-food crop, and horticulture. Horticulture is the growing of fruits and vegetables. Non-food crops include rubber, coffee, jute, hemp, natural silk. Food crops can be divided into two categories. One is grains, other is plantations. In the category of grains, we would be doing rice, wheat, maize, millets and pulses. And in the category of plantations, we would be doing sugarcane, tea, coffee and oilseeds. Now let us begin with food crops. And the first food crop that we will discuss is rice. Rice is the staple food of majority of people in India. Large number of people in India consumes rice. So it is a staple food of the country. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. In India, rice is grown as a kharif crop. It means it is grown with the onset of the monsoons, and harvesting is done in the month of September and October. So it is kharif crop. Rice requires temperatures above 25 degrees Celsius. It requires high humidity and high rainfall, that is above 100 centimeters. In the areas of less rainfall, where there is rainfall of less than 100 centimeter, in such areas, it is grown with the help of irrigation. Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltic regions. Development of dense network of canal irrigation and tubewells in those areas where there is less rainfall. In such areas, with the help of canal irrigation and tubewells, rice is grown, and these areas include Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. The second most important food crop is wheat. It is the second most cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern parts of the country. It is a rabi crop. Rice is used as a kharif crop and wheat is a rabi crop. We have already discussed in the previous video that rabi crop is a crop that is sown in winter from October to December, and it is harvested in summer from April to June. So wheat is used as a rabi crop. It requires cool growing season and bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It means growing season must be cool, and at the time of ripening it must be bright sunshine. It requires 50 to 75 centimeters of annual rainfall. and rainfall is between 15 to 50 to 75 centimeters. And the important wheat growing areas in our country are: number 1 is the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest, and number 2 the black soil region of the Deccan. Areas where wheat is grown in our country is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Next important food crops are the millets. Jowar, bajra and ragi are millets grown in our country. Millets, you have 3. It's jowar, bajra and ragi. Together they are known as coarse grain. They are known as coarse grain. It means jowar, bajra and ragi, they are millets. They are also known as coarse grain because they have high nutritional value. The first is ragi. Ragi is rich in iron, calcium, and other micronutrients and roughage. Ragi is the crop of dry regions and it grows well on red soil, black soil, sandy soil, loamy soil, and shallow black soil. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu. Apart from these states, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh are also important for the production of ragi in our country. Next important millet is bajra. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Then the third millet is jowar. It is the third most important food crop with respect to the area and production. The third most important food crop after wheat and rice. With respect to the area and production, it is a rain-fed crop that is mostly grown in the moist areas. Rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Now after millets, let us discuss about maize. Maize is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. Means it is consumed by human beings and it is also used by animals as food. It is a kharif crop. Maize requires temperatures between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Maize grows well in old alluvial soil. In the states of Bihar, maize is grown in the Rabi season also. In our country, the production of maize has increased due to the use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers and irrigation facilities. The states where maize is grown in our country are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The next is pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumers of pulses in the world. Pulses are the major source of protein in the vegetarian diet. Major pulses grown in India are tur, that is arhar, urad, moong, masur, peas and gram. These are some of the major pulses which are grown in our country. Pulses require less moisture and they can even even grow in the dry season. The pulses, they require less moisture and they can survive in the dry conditions. Pulses are leguminous crops. They help in restoring the fertility of the soil by nitrogen fixation from the air. All pulses except arhar. All pulses except arhar, they are leguminous crops. Arhar is not a leguminous crop. Whereas all the pulses are the leguminous crops that you have discussed above. Means they help to restore the fertility of the soil by nitrogen fixation from the air. And therefore they are grown in rotation crops with the other crops. Means after growing wheat, this can be grown. After growing rice, this can be grown, and it will help in the nitrogen fixation. It will help to restore the fertility of the soil. So it is used as the rotation crops. The major area where these crops are grown are in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. So these are some of the food crops which are grown in our country. It's wheat, it's rice, millets, maize, then pulses are the major food crops which is grown in our country. These are the grains, and under the category of the food crop, we would be doing some non-food crops in the next lecture. That is, we would be studying about the climatic and geographical conditions of sugarcane, and then oilseeds, tea and coffee. We would be studying about the climatic and geographical conditions about these crops, the plantation crops, in the next lecture, in the next video. Thank you.